It is me again. We have a Frigidaire washer dryer. I already take apart all, so it's make a squeaking noise. This was the bad boy. In first place, I checked that back here, remove these off, and I see some sign of belt drop off here, which is gave me idea. So this is a kind I call them a dry belt once a while. So I believe when they get heat or whatever, so it get dry and come apart and make that kind of noise. So to fix that, you have to just take apart and replace this guys. And at the same time, I just put some grease back there, to prevent and for long term. Same time, it was really dusty, a lot of length. I just cleaned it up. So almost same time, check everything. Those heat element component are good, and now it's ready to everything put back. And thank you.